Anything that you can turn into a mono AFFF 14, 16-bit sample, you could put in the OP-1. Don't let your dreams be dreams, just make 441 16-bit AFFF mono sample, put in the OP-1. Turn into a mono AFFF, you could put in the OP-1. Don't let your dreams be dreams, just make 441 16-bit AFFF mono sample.